Hello everyone, today we have PlayStation 5. Customer brought it here. It's very dusty, as you can see here in the video. Like, it's badly dusty. So our job today is to clean it up and apply a new thermo paste for the CPU. So in this video I will show you how to clean the PlayStation. So first of all, we need to open the case. So in this video I can show you as well, like how to open the side case of the PlayStation 5. This one keeps the logo facing up, and push this one a little bit up, and from the other side, the left hand, just pull it like this. Lift it up a little bit and push it like in the left side with the helping of the other hand. See how bad it is? It's very dusty. So we'll clean it today, and just follow me in the video. So now we'll lift it up to the other side. You need to push it this ward. You lift this one up and push it to the right side. See how dusty it is? Here. Maybe this guy is mechanic. After this, I think I need to clean the store as well, not just the PlayStation. So now we need to remove all the screws. I used to have electrical screwdriver, but it stopped working, so I ordered a new one. It's in the way. Here we go. See, that's why this one got overheat. The ventilation is blocked. Okay, so I will go outside the store. I clean them, then I'll come back. So after that, I cleaned the fans and the heat sink, everything from the dust. Now I need to apply thermopaste for the CPU. See, like now completely different. It's very cleaned. It was very dusty. So here we go. Okay, so the job is done. Now we need to put, see, this is the fan. We need to put everything back. This is the cover, so it's cleaned everywhere. Much better than before. So this is the one here. No dust anymore, cleaned properly. So I'll put everything back and I'll show you the video after that. So this is the PlayStation after we cleaned it. It's working fine. If you have any PlayStation, Xbox, please bring it here to our store.